Think back to your favorite trip. What is it that you remember the most? Is it that landmark that everyone's talking about, or the moments in between? Maybe it was how your children lit up when they got to choose their first gelato and try it for the first time, or that local shopkeeper who really made you feel like family. Those are the kind of memories that last, and it is exactly what I want to help you prepare for your 2026 trip. Take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Every week, I bring you practical tips for enjoying every moment of family adventures, and I don't want you to miss a thing. It's easy to get caught up in the logistics, the flight, the hotels, the ground transportation, but those aren't the things that stay with you years later. What stays are the moments, and creating those moments takes intention. Here's 3 practical steps for building those lasting memories. First, plan for connection, not perfection. Give yourself space in your itinerary to just be, to wander, to linger, to just talk. It's those unscripted moments that often become the best stories. Second, choose experiences that engage all the senses. Cook with the local chef, hear music in the square, feel the cobblestones under your feet. Memories stick when you fully live them. And third, balance big icons with intimate experiences. Yes, see the Colosseum, but also spend an evening in a trattoria where the chef tells you his story. Planning ahead gives you time to choose those special touches, like private tours, local guides, and unique workshops that make a trip memorable, not rushed. That's what I do with my clients. I help them find experiences that allow them to say, you remember when we, years from now. Travel is about more than where you go. It's about what you carry after. If you're starting to dream about your ideal 2026 trip, now is the ideal time to start planning. Click the link below to schedule a consultation or continue to follow along for more tips and tricks.